Here we go. From this piece of code, we are going to understand how we can create a dictionary with list comprehension. At the same time, you're going to learn the usage of zip and also JSON dumps. Here we are using JSON dumps to print the dictionary in tree format with the indentation of 4. So let's see. So we are storing a list of some values. These are key values, so we are storing in a variable called keys. It could be anything, so variable can be anything. So and values will be in values, list of values. So we are opening a comprehension here, list comprehension here, with for loop with two keys. So here is the zip, like see, we are pulling keys and values here. We are pulling those list here, and we are looping over the keys and values, and we are storing in dictionary. Now the dictionary is stored with key and values. So how we are going to print it? So if you want to print in tree format, so this is the way. So json.dumps and put the dictionary with indentation 4, so it will print a clear tree structure in the output. Let's see how it shows. There you go. That's it.